Hello guys, hope you are doing good. This is Sharik, your host. In this session, I will cover Windows shortcut key and Windows command. So guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So once I need to let's start. Once I will press Windows R key together. Once I will press Windows R key together, just press backslash. Once I will type backslash on run command, you just need to press enter. Once I will press enter, it will open the complete directory. So let's open complete my directory. It's a local directory, so it will open complete. Only for backslash it will open the complete local directory. So another command I will use Windows R key together, I will use dot command only. Once I will press type dot command, it will open user complete directory details. Once I press enter, you can check over here. Here my name is appear. It's complete. They are given the hidden file with hidden file. It given the complete directory. So now again I will press Windows R key together, dot and dot. It will open user home folder. Just press enter. So this is my name and this is public. So it's open user home folder. So guys, do you wanna know how to open calculator in Windows? You just need to type Calc. Just press enter. Once you will press enter, calculator will be open. Guys, do you wanna know how to open user account detail? You just need to type press Windows R key together and Netplwiz. It will open user details, user complete account detail. Once you just need to press enter. Once you will press enter, you can check over here. User account detail is coming, appearing in your screen. So it's and next command I will use. How can you check the disk of my current PC or desktop PC or laptop? You just need to press Windows R key together, Diskmgmt.msc. Just press enter. You can check over here disk management. It will give the complete overview about your disk directory or physical drive. You can say this is my directory SSD, this is my HD. It will give you the complete overview about disk management. Guys, do you want to know how to check complete services of your PC? You just need to type Services.msc. Once you will type and press enter, you can check all it will open the complete services detail. From here you can start and stop, background process, and whatever it's required. You can just printer, Windows, every detail you can check over here. Guys, do you know how to open control panel items? You just need to press Windows R key together and need to type Control.exe. It will appear complete all control panel. It's all the shortcut which I am telling you here. Guys, do you know how to write open Word? How to open Word? We just need to press Windows R key together and write WRIT, and once you will press enter, Word page will be open. You can check over. And same you can open your notepad when just type a notepad, it will open notepad. Guys, do you want to know how to open network manager page? Press Windows R key together, Ncpa.cpl. It will open network manager. Which network is currently active? It will give you the complete detail about your network. This is my network SM2. So this is my network, virtual and physical network. It will give you the complete overview. Once you will type Ncpa.cpl. So now I will tell you how to open system properties. Sysdm.cpl, sorry, system, Sysdem, or you can type Sysdm.cpl. Once you will type Sysdm, it will open your system properties, complete system properties. You can check over here, this is my PC name and I am not connected to any domain, so work group, system property. Guys, I will tell you some of the networking command. Window R key together, and I will type here command. Once I will type here, it will open command promo. One press enter. So I wanted to check my internet IP address. So I need to type here Ipconfig and enter. You can check over here. This is my current IP address which I am connected. This is my gateway. And do you want to know how to check complete detail with MAC address and complete overview? So you need to check IP config, space or without space, you can use all. So you can check over here its physical address and MAC address, its display, and IPv4, DNS, complete detail. It's given the complete detail about your network. And guys, do you want to know how to clear in the screen? You just need to type CLS. It will clear your screen. Just so now I will tell you how to check your domain names server from any domain address. So NSLOK अपने let's look up. I wanted to check the IP address of Google, google.com. What is the address I am getting over here? This is the IP. Or you can check, or you can also check NSLOK, look up and press enter. Once you will press enter, you can type here, suppose my domain name QUERYPANEL.com and press enter. This is my IP address, current IP address of my server. I wanted to check Facebook, Facebook.com. This is the address of Facebook. I want to also check LinkedIn or YouTube, youtube.com. This is the current address of IP address of YouTube, and just need to exit. You have just exit from lookup zone. So guys, do you want to know how to trace your server, DNS server or your domain? You just need to type TRACERT and domain name. Suppose I will type my gogle.com. How my network will be processed, and it will be give you complete step how it's started the step. First step it will, and it will also give you the overview about the time consumed. It's tracing the kind where its first step this is cover, second step and time millisecond this take, and third step and fourth step. It will give you the complete 14 step. Guys, do you want to know how to? I just cancel over here. I just need to cancel Control-C. It's cancel because I already told you about this timing and second, millisecond. And guys, do you want to know how to check your interface detail, network interface detail? You just need to type root, ROUTE, and capital PRINT. It will give you the complete detail about your interface. This is the interface list. How many network you have connected, and this is the detail about your active routes, which is the active routes, current active routes in your interface. Guys, do you want to check what is the address, MAC address of your PC? Just need to type get MAC. You can check over here. This is the MAC address of your PC. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.